every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! We're gonna need 8 tortillas, some vegetable or spring oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and salt and pepper. I will start by spraying some vegetable oil on both sides of each tortilla and stacking them together. Once all's done, I'll cut them into small wedges, basically dividing the stack into 8 pieces. And then comes the step where you can clearly divide each person into being pedantic or not, while they are placing tortillas in a single layer on a couple or however many baking sheets you're going to need. Guess which one I am. Now, I'm going to mix the cumin, chili powder, salt and pepper together and sprinkle this mixture over the cute little triangles. All that is left is to bake them in a 180 degrees preheated oven for 10 minutes or until crispy and lightly golden, making sure you rotate the baking sheets halfway through for even crispiness. And that's it! Well, this is a promising recipe. Okay, which one? Let's take a small one. Let's be modest for once. Will this be spicy though? Wait, I use quite a lot of chili powder. Let's see. They will be crispy though. I can already tell. Crispy. Is it super spicy? I think I can eat it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait, don't be too happy yet. I love chips. Anything that resembles chips. These are even called tortilla chips, right? I'm all for it. Kale chips. Okay. Tortilla chips, okay, whatever kind of chips, okay. The cool thing about these ones, Laura said, you can use whatever spices you want. Can you grasp the possibilities? I already feel overwhelmed. I don't know. What are the best mixes? I feel like I would try first the onion powder, garlic powder, and maybe oregano. Paprika. Oh my god. Share with me your favorite spice mixes because girl knows how to make some chips at home. This is what mine looks like. This is Laura's. If you want to watch how she makes it, which is pretty much exactly the same way, the link is there in the cards. I'm amazed that I can eat things with chili powder, which makes me so happy. This is slightly spicy, but like in a good chips way. Oh my god. My god. Quick, easy, no effort whatsoever. Like, if you have the sprayable oil, this recipe is literally like 15 minutes and that's it. Now, I'm very... Okay, I should stop eating. I'm very excited to try out some recipes that I can eat these chips with. But before that, if you want to try this recipe yourself, check the description box for the written recipes in both imperial and the metric systems. Let me just finish drink. If you want more recipes like this, the playlist is here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye!